How to fix Discord update failed error message. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to make sure that you are connected to stable internet connection. If not, try joining to the Wi-Fi which is stable enough. Or you can also try using the cellular data. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is to make sure that you are using the updated version of the app. Move into App Store and in the search bar, search for Discord app. Head over to this application. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be the reason that you're facing this issue. In this case, tap on update and update the app. Once you're using the updated version, now the next thing you want to do is to upload the application. So move into the settings of the device and head over to general. Now move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Discord and then move into it. Now click on Offload App and then once again, tap on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Discord, and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.